You can make a coin or a token when you make a new cryptocurrency. A coin has its own blockchain, but a token is built on top of a network that already exists. Blockchains are the basis for the security and decentralization of cryptocurrencies. Tokens are easier to make than crypto coins because they don't require as much knowledge and work. Most of the time, it takes a group of developers and experts to make a coin. To make a token, you still need technical skills, but you can do it in minutes with other blockchains like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Solana, and Polygon. Whether you go with a token or a coin will depend on how customizable and useful you want it to be. Overall, the costs depend on how much work is needed, such as hiring outside developers and how much time is needed. In this video, we will tell you how you can make your own cryptocurrency. But before we start our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell button. A lot of people use Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain to make digital currencies. You can either use existing code to make tokens yourself or pay for a service that will do it for you. Sidechains are another popular choice because they add more flexibility to the benefits of the main blockchain. Before making your own cryptocurrency, you should think about how it will be used, how it will work, and what the law says about it. After this, you need to choose a blockchain, a way to reach a consensus, and an architecture for the next stage, which is called development. Next, you could think about having your project audited and getting one last legal check. Almost anyone can make a cryptocurrency, but it takes a lot of work and dedication to make a good one. Introduction. Many crypto fans are excited by the idea of making your own cryptocurrency, use cases, and audience. But where would be the best place to begin? You can make coins and tokens in many different ways. The complexity of your project also affects the costs and the knowledge you need. If you want to make your own cryptocurrency, this article will tell you what you need to know to get started. What is a cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency, which is also called crypto, is a type of digital asset that can be used in many different ways. Its main purpose is to let people transfer value digitally, such as money, ownership rights, or even the right to vote. Crypto is different from other digital payment systems because it is based on a technology called blockchain. Because of this, governments and banks have less power over cryptocurrencies than they did before. Most people know Bitcoin as an example of a cryptocurrency. Its main purpose is to make it easy to send money to anyone in the world without going through a third party. Its blockchain keeps track of all transactions and keeps the network safe and stable. Difference between crypto coins and tokens. There are two main types of cryptocurrency, coins and tokens. It's easy to tell the difference between them. Coins, like Bitcoin, have their own blockchains that are built into them. The Ethereum blockchain is part of Ether, ETH. Coins usually have a specific use across the whole network, like paying for transaction fees, staking, or taking part in governance. Tokens are built on blockchains that have already been made. Tokens might do some of the same things as coins, but they are mostly useful in their own projects. One example is Cake on Binance Smart Chain, which is used by PancakeSwap. You can also use it to pay for some things in the PancakeSwap ecosystem, like minting non-fungible tokens or playing their lottery. But Cake doesn't have its own blockchain, which means it can't be used in every BSC application. The same is true for the thousands of ERC20 tokens that have been issued on the Ethereum blockchain. Each token is part of a different project and can be used in different ways. Creating crypto coins versus tokens. As was already said, making a token is a lot easier than making a coin. To make a coin, you have to create and keep up a blockchain. You could make a copy of another chain by forking it, but that doesn't help you find users and validators who will help your network stay alive. Still, making a new coin can have a better chance of being successful than just making a token. Creating a coin. If you build your own blockchain, making a new coin can take a long time. But you can make a new coin quickly by forking an old blockchain and using it as a base for your new coin. One example of a forked project is Bitcoin Cash, BCH. To do this, you still need to know a lot about how blockchain works and how to code. Adding new users to your blockchain network is hard, but it's also important for the success of your project. Creating a token. Putting a token on a blockchain that already exists can take advantage of its reputation and security. Even though you won't be able to change everything about your token, there is still a lot of room for customization. You can make your own token with a number of websites and tools, especially on BSC and Ethereum. Should I create a coin or a token for my project? Most decentralized finance, DeFi, applications or games where you play to earn money will only need one token. Both BSC and Ethereum give developers a huge amount of freedom to work with. If you want to push the limits of what a coin or blockchain can do, it might be better to make a coin with its own blockchain. It is much harder to make a new blockchain and coin than it is to issue a crypto token. But if it's done right, it can lead to a lot of new ideas and opportunities. Some good examples are Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Solana, and Polygon. Still, both options will need a lot of hard work and knowledge of technology, economics, and the market to be successful. Create your own cryptocurrency in 7 steps. If all you want to do is make a token, you won't have to do every step in the tutorial below. The 3 design steps would be more important. Most of our guides will start with the basics of making a blockchain before getting to how to mint your coin. Choose a suitable blockchain platform. You'll need to choose a blockchain to mint your cryptocurrency on for a token. People often choose BSC or Ethereum, but sidechains can also be a good choice. To make your own coin, you'll need to think about making a custom blockchain or hiring someone to do it. Pick a consensus mechanism. Think about the consensus mechanism you want if you are making your own blockchain or don't know which one to choose for your token. These mechanisms decide how participants on the network confirm and verify transactions. Proof of stake is used by most blockchains because it is easy to set up and can be used in many different ways. Some people think that proof of work, which is used in Bitcoin, is safer, but it's often expensive to keep up and not as good for the environment. Design your blockchain architecture. Only if you're making a coin do you need to do this step. Not every blockchain lets anyone run nodes or verify transactions. It is important to decide whether you want a private, public, permissioned, or permissionless blockchain. What your coin and project are trying to do will determine how your blockchain is set up. For more control, a company or country that makes a coin might run a private blockchain. Begin blockchain development. If you don't know how to build things like a pro, you'll need help from someone else. Once the blockchain is running in the real world, it is very hard to change its core ideas and rules. Use a testnet to make sure everything works as planned, and if you can, build your blockchain with a whole team of developers. Audit your crypto and its code. Auditing firms like Certic can look at the code of your blockchain and its cryptocurrency to see if there are any flaws. Then you can make the audit public and act on what it says. This process gives you and any potential users or investors some peace of mind about safety. Double-check legal aspects. Now that your blockchain is up and running and you're ready to make your cryptocurrency, it's best to talk to a lawyer to find out if you need permission. Again, this step is hard to do on your own and needs help from someone else. Mint your cryptocurrency. Whether you are making a token or a coin, at some point you will have to mint the cryptocurrency. The exact way to do it will depend on how your tokenomics work. For example, a smart contract is usually used to mint all of the tokens in a fixed supply at once. As miners verify new blocks of transactions, coins like Bitcoin are slowly made. That's all we have for today. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Subscribe our channel for more crypto-related videos. And press the bell icon for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching.